Hello and welcome to the short video presented by Volvo Cars Saint-Léonard, in which we will show you how to use the hands-free power tailgate of your Volvo. First, you will need to be equipped with one of your car keys and move towards the back of the vehicle. Once there, make a sweeping motion with your leg under the bumper on the left side and take a small step back. My secret to knowing where to sweep your foot all the time is to use the V in the Volvo logo as an arrow pointing down. To close the trunk, you can use the same method as for opening it by sweeping with your foot. Press the button on the inside of the tailgate. Use one of the buttons on your key, or with the button located on the left side of your steering wheel. Remember that these functions can also allow you to open the trunk of your Volvo. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in another video, please feel free to comment down below. See you soon and enjoy driving your Volvo.